Hey everyone, welcome back to Pixel English Podcast. I'm Pixel.
And I'm Luna, and today we're going to save you from super awkward moments.
Oh yeah, we're talking about the situations where you know what you want to say in your head, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out.
Or worse, the wrong thing comes out.
Exactly. So today, we're giving you simple phrases that work in almost any situation. No panic, no stress, just easy English that actually works.
And trust me, you're going to use these all the time.
Before we start, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you like what we do, share this episode with a friend who's learning English too. It really helps us out.
All right, let's do this.
Okay, so Luna, picture this. You're at a coffee shop, you want to order, but you didn't hear what the barista said. What do?
I hate that. I usually just smile and say yes to everything.
And then you end up with a drink you didn't want.
Exactly. One time I ordered a coffee and got a salad. A salad, Pixel.
How does that even happen?
I have no idea. I just kept saying yes.
Okay, so here's the hack. When you don't understand something, just say, sorry, could you repeat that?
That's it?
That's it. Simple, polite, and everyone understands it. You can also say, could you say that again? Both work perfectly.
So I don't have to pretend I understand?
Never. It's totally normal to ask someone to repeat something. Native speakers do it all the time.
That makes me feel so much better.
Here's another good one. If someone is speaking too fast, you can say, could you speak a bit slower, please?
Oh, I like that. It's polite but direct.
Exactly. Most people will be happy to slow down. They want to help you understand.
Okay, what about when you're at a restaurant and you need something like more water or napkins?
Good question. A lot of people get nervous about this, but it's super easy. Just say, could I have more water, please? Or, could I get some napkins?
Could I have or could I get? Both work?
Yep, both are polite and natural. You can use them for almost anything. Could I have the menu? Could I get the check?
The check is the bill, right?
Right. In American English, we say check. In British English, they say bill, but everyone understands both.
Got it. So, could I have the check, please?
Perfect. And here's a pro tip. When you're asking for something, adding please at the end makes it sound more polite.
Okay, so what about when you're talking to someone and you need a moment to think?
This is a big one. In conversations, sometimes your brain needs a second to find the right word.
Yeah, and then there's just this awkward silence.
Right, so instead of silence, you can use filler phrases like, let me think, or how can I say this, or just, well,
Wait, so I can just say, let me think out loud?
absolutely. It's natural. It shows you're trying to find the right words. Native speakers do this constantly.
I always thought I had to speak perfectly without stopping.
No way. Real conversation has pauses. It has thinking moments. That's what makes it real.
This is such good advice. Okay, what about at a hotel? I always get nervous at hotels.
Hotels are actually pretty easy once you know the key phrases. When you arrive, you say, I have a reservation under, and then your name.
I have a reservation under Luna, like that?
Perfect. And if you need something in your room, you can call the front desk and say, hi, this is room 215. Can I get some extra towels?
Room 215. So I say my room number first.
Yep, it helps them know who's calling. You can also say, this is room 215. The air conditioning isn't working.
Oh, that's useful. What if I need to ask where something is?
Easy. Just say, excuse me, where is the gym? Or where can I find the breakfast area?
Excuse me, where is... I like that. It's polite.
And you can use this anywhere. Excuse me, where's the bathroom? Excuse me, where's the subway station?
This is so practical. What about taxis or Uber?
Okay, so when you get in, the driver might ask you, where are you going? Or where to?
Where to? That's short.
Yeah, it's casual but super common. You can answer with, to Fifth Avenue, please, or just say the address.
What if I need them to stop somewhere?
You can say, could you stop here, please? Or, this is good, thank you.
This is good. Thank you. So simple.
And if you're not sure if you're in the right place, you can ask, is this Main Street?
Okay, I'm feeling more confident already.
Good. Now let's talk about shopping because this is where things can get tricky.
Oh, yeah, especially when the salesperson asks a million questions.
Right. So they might say, "Can it help you find something?" If you're just looking, you can say, "No thanks, I'm just browsing."
Just browsing. That means just looking around, right?
Exactly. But if you need help, you can say, "Yes, I'm looking for a block jacket in size medium."
I'm looking for, that's the key phrase.
Yep, super useful. And if you want to try something on, you can just say, "Can I try this on?"
Can I try this on? Easy.
And here's one more. If something doesn't fit, you can say, "Do you have this in a larger size?" Or "Do you have this in blue?"
Do you have this in, and then the size or color?
Exactly. Works every time.
Okay, what about when you make a mistake, like you said the wrong thing?
Great question. Just say, "Sorry, I meant to say," and then correct yourself.
I meant to say, oh, that's helpful.
Yeah, it's totally normal to make mistakes. Don't stress about it.
What if someone is talking to me and I don't know a word they used?
You can say, "Sorry, what does that word mean?" Or, "I don't know that word."
People won't think I'm dumb.
Not at all. It shows you're trying to learn. Most people respect that.
Okay, I feel like we've covered so much today.
We really have. Let's do a quick recap. When you don't understand, say, "Could you repeat that?" When you need something, say, "Could I have?" or "Could I get?" When you need time to think, say, "Let me think."
And don't be afraid to ask questions or make mistakes.
Exactly. The goal is communication, not perfection.
I love that. Communication, not perfection.
That should be our motto.
So, listeners, try using these phrases this week, even if it's just practicing at home.
Yeah, say them out loud, get comfortable with them. And next time you're in one of these situations, you'll be ready.
You got this.
And remember, if you enjoyed this episode, share it with someone who's learning English too. It really helps us out.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep it simple, keep speaking. See you next time.
See ya. Bye bye.